morning, guys. Me missing a nail. Good morning, guys. So today is, I don't know what day, I lost count, but it's July 14th. It's Wednesday, and we're currently on our way to Torrecitas. We're gonna go see La Virgen de Guadalupe. We have Abel and Franco and Ivan. We have our morning faces right now, so nobody's really in the mood to, you know, for anything. We have Chepe in front of us, and then in front of him is Mago and then Chuy. So we're 4 cars deep.
Cousins.
Huh?
They're our cousins.
Yeah. In case you didn't know, they're all family. They're all our cousins. We just stopped to pump gas. Sí, estaba grabando todo el camino también.
I'll take your flashlight. Pretty good, guys.
Are they horses or donkeys?
They're donkeys.
No, they're donkeys.
No,
That
they're
one's a,
It's a mula.
that one is. The other one's a horse, no?
Yeah, the other one's a horse.
We're back on the road with our snacks.
More like bread.
Damn, Franco munching.
Y'all selfish, man.
This is our favorite one.
Y'all haven't even offered me a bun.
You gonna buy my nail? Bienvenidos San Nicolás Tolentino.
Cuando yo me muera, quiero que me pasen por las calles de mi pueblo, donde feliz me la pasaba.
Bienvenidos a Villa de Zaragoza. Zaragoza. Total. Just got some candles. Isn't that over there? Go check it out. Sorry, poster. I think you can all go in there. Oh yeah.
See the pictures?
Hoy espero regresar. Okay guys, so we're leaving now.
We were there for about an hour and a half.
What time did we get there?
So I say 2 hours, guys.
Yeah, we're,
But
Yeah.
we explored a lot. We went to the mountains. We walked around, bought stuff. We bought quite a lot of stuff.
the road is terrible, y'all. But yeah, we were there for about 2.5 hours.
Imagine people used to walk this.
Yeah.
There was no walk.
The other day, well, not the other day, but 2 years ago when we came, they told us a story about how my dad had came here one time and he walked. We don't know exactly what he walked, but he walked for like 2 days to go see La Virgencita. But yeah, I guess now it's different because this was like years ago, like probably more than 30 years, right? More than 25 years ago. So it's definitely been a while, but it was really good, honestly, seeing La Virgencita.
It was a good experience.
Yeah, it was a good experience. And then we got to, yeah. Honestly, it's like I mentioned earlier, videos and pictures don't do justice. It's just not the same. It would honestly be something a lot of people should do. It's a beautiful thing, but hopefully one day we get to come back with my parents, with our family. Look at that motorcycle. We will be able to come back again with our parents one day. But yeah, we're heading back home now, back to San Diego. We have about 2.5 hour drive. It's 2:25, so we should be getting over there around 4:30 or 5. But yeah, just want to update you guys. Trying to get us out of here safely because the road is so bad. Oh my god. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we get to San Diego. Guys, I just updated y'all about leaving not even like 10 minutes ago, and look at this. They are knocked up. They are knocked out. Just made it to San Diego, guys.
On time.
Honestly, cause felt like forever. We are gonna go to the house and then we're gonna go to Rio Verde. We're never home, ever. But I mean, that's the point. That's the point about being on vacation, right? And Ivan's weekend.
What's the gift type shit? It's a bird watch.
Shut up.
They all went to the red. They went straight.
I forgot what I was saying.
My weak ass stereo.
Are you sure this is the right entrance?
Yes.
It don't look like it. Anyway, yeah, his stereo doesn't work now.
moment I decided to drive home.
Literally.
Sad.
For the past 15 minutes. I keep having to hear Ivan's voice. Anyways, I'll see you when we get to Rio Verde, guys. Came to eat at Ricardo's. Ricas wings.
They're baby, I heard. Yeah, they baby, but you get 12.
They got a pretty, everything's on $100. Look at that. $100. $100, everything. 120. I have no clue what day it is in Mexico.
It's like
It
what?
feels like a month at
The
this
last-
point.
The one more day.
It's the day before the last day. That's all I know. But we just stopped to buy some gorditas.
They're coming right now.
So we stopped to get some gorditas here in, what is this called? I don't know where we're
It's
at.
like a little,
But it's on the side of the street, like on our way to Rio Verde. No, it's in the truck. Not with me.
This is a prize when we're going, guys.
My hat.
Yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there, but we're gonna go to, I know I was just looking at it.
Comment down where we could, I think we're gonna go to Mexico.
Why you scared?
That's Franco talking, by the way. But,
No, over there. You scared me?
yeah, we're about to go somewhere very pretty. We've never been,
Did I scare
so,
you?
but I've heard it's
Unas
very
fotos.
Did you get really
Yeah.
scared?
Here's Ivan.
Are you scared? He was
Here's Ethan, Chepe. Anyways, here's Paola and the kids. About to go in. Very finished.
Not everything that's for mama.
Gotta chicharrón.
This is not all for me, it's for me and Ivan.
Yo tengo un cafetal y tú no me quieres más.
Bienvenidos. We're here, guys. This was the surprise. Cascadas de Tamasopo. Fue la sorpresa de hoy. Oh, you can see the water, look.
Ooh, it looks clean.
We're here, guys.
Las cascadas de Tamasopo. Van a estar pelo bien puteado.
Bien qué?
Puteado.
That's a new word. We're here, guys. Chepe back there. About to go in.
Oh, look, look.
Looks so pretty. We just got our chalecos, y'all. We're gonna go get in the cold ass water now.
The waterfall is really cold.
Freezing.
One,
Right here. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no, go right there. Okay, look. Keep over there. Keep over there.
Alright, guys, we out here.
Look at Mama about to drown.
We're trying to get in. Come on, Mama! 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 Go! 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 Alright, keep going.
Just don't take it off of your neck.
I have been chilling. Alright, my mission is to get over there. You ready, guys? Let's go.
Guys, this water is
It's cold.
Here we are exploring again. Say again, a little bit. Exploring again.
Guys, we were holding on to a rope and I hit my knee.
Let me
on
see.
a big rock.
Oh, it's red.
That's because if you let go of the rope, the water's gonna take you where you're not supposed to go.
Dang, these steps are huge. Oh, look, the Virgen.
You want to take pictures?
Yeah. We're almost there.
Like all the water comes down there.
Yeah. We got some food. Let me see. Ponlo eso en la floor. And then there's Ivan.
You can do that.
Put it here. Look at who's asleep. Pepe's about to try this. Pepe's over there.
Hey, let's go up there.
Alright guys, we're currently going up this thing right here.
All the way up.
Come on, mama. We gotta go over this tree, guys. Hold up. We're like in the jungle. It's gonna go all the way back down the water. Gang. Going down the water right now. Look, it's still strong. It might not look strong on camera, but it's strong. Sorry.
It's a mission, y'all, to do this.
For real.
There's freaking holes and rocks everywhere.
You gotta watch out because I already hurt my knee.
So we just left Tamasopo, guys. We were gonna go to... Look at Abed sleeping. We were gonna go to Puente de Dios, but it was closed. It's already 6:30. So we have to add that to our bucket list for next year when we come back to Mexico. So now we're going back to San Diego. We're an hour and a half away. So we should be getting there by 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get back. Hi guys. So it's our last day in Mexico. The last day. We leave tomorrow. Finally, after 2 weeks, we leave tomorrow back to Houston. I have April here with me and Ivan, and we're going to Rio Verde right now to go buy some last minute stuff to take back home to my parents. Some quesos and chiles and chancaquillas and I don't know what else. But yeah, we're on our way to Rio Verde, so I'll come back on here whenever we're there. Truck is about to get another wash because it's dirty. Last wash before we leave.
Is there a third wash?
Third wash. We're gonna go clean our boots because they're dirty. We did a lot of shopping, guys. More stuff over there. We got a whole box full of cheese. And now we're gonna get a Tostitos Preparado, that green one. Last time before we leave. With my boys, per usual. Our boots are shiny. Our truck is shiny. Y'all see the other boots. This is our last meal in San Diego before we leave.
Check that out. Damn it, boy.
Fire.
Me queda that burger. ¿No? Como te algo meter y con la raza lo estuvo comiendo.
Fire. Currently packing, guys.
Yep.
Paola looks stressed out.
Mama, I'm gonna ask you a question. How many days we been here?
We've been here, you tell me.
2 weeks.
How much is 2 weeks?
14 days. And look around, man.
As y'all can see, we just need to put these 2 chairs. But it's pretty much loaded in there. And then there's
Alright guys, today's our last day. It's pretty sad.
Are you really sad?
Yes, because it just felt like we got here.
Really?
Yeah.
We've been here too long. We'll be back in
2
a
weeks,
year.
guys, 2 weeks. Probably November or December.
Yeah. Or in July for us.
Mhm.
We'll see. We'll see you in the morning. Peace out. Look at my nail. Peace out, guys. Good morning, guys. So, Paola is currently making some tortas for the road. It's almost time to leave, guys. Freaking roosters are already singing. Look at them, they're trying to fight each other.
What's up, guys? Oh, this time is a fight. This time is a fight. Come around, people.
Hey guys, we're ready to go. Got some chairs for my daddy, my mom. We're ready, guys.
Tired.
And we're stocked back here too. Till next year, Mexico. Okay, guys, we're heading out.
Officially.
It's been real.
Good, God is great. That's our trip.
We'll make it home safe. Okay, guys, so we are out of Mexico. Yeah, but we're out. We're out of San Diego.
We're out of our rancho.
We're out of our rancho. Now we're at the gas station.
Aquí estamos en el Oxxo.
I think some people are pumping gas. We pumped gas last night. We filled up, so we're good. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the road and it's time to head back to Houston, Texas. It's been great. It's been real. We'll be back next year though because it's time to go grind. But yeah, I'll update you guys more down the road. Depending on how we're doing. My uncle's watching me. Oh God, he's coming. Let's see what he's gonna say. I'm vlogging. A ver, di lo que quieres decir.
¿Qué quieres que te diga? ¿Una mentira
Cuéntame un chiste.
o te digo la verdad?
Las dos, una y una.
Que no te conocía hasta yo
Ok, so dime la mentira y la verdad. So la mentira era que no me conocías, ¿verdad? Esa es la mentira.
Ya, y la verdad que...
¿La verdad que qué? So la verdad...
Sit down and wait.
I am sitting down.
Oh yeah, you are right.
And Pepe's on this side. Okay guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Guys, our freaking rope's ripped. Ivan and Mutio Chepa are back there trying to fix it.
Guys, there's no steak. No.
The upside down raccoon is hiding because he's ugly.
Everybody's lona is starting to rip.
Okay, we're back on the road. Back like nothing happened.
You told him to go fast?
Nah, he knows he was going fast anyway.
We're out.
Out of here.
Bienvenidos Tamaulipas. Pero te amo. It's crazy how this stuff.
I wonder how the hell they wrote that up there. Yeah. A little update, you guys. We just left the gas station. Probably the last stop, right? Before we cross. It's currently 1:18. We have like 2 hours left till we get to the frontera.
Border.
So a lot of things have happened on the way here. Paola's clothes flew away. Our lona flew away. What else?
Our lona ripped.
My uncle's lona ripped. We stopped like 10 times. But we're good. Thank God we're good. And yeah, we'll see you guys. I'll update later once we're at the border. We made it to the border. Now we just have to cross it. We have to get our papers ready. Our pasaportes.
Green card.
¿Cuál green card? Mi visa, mi permiso para entrar a los Estados Unidos. Waiting to cross back to the United States. In 6 hours.
In the United States.
Guys, it is 5:40 p.m. and we are still waiting in this freaking line to cross the border. We've been here since 3:30. That's 2 hours and 11 minutes to be exact. I'm tired of waiting. My head hurts. I'm starving. I'm hungry. I'm hangry. I just want to get some Whataburger and go home and take a shower and go to sleep. Why does it have to be so hard? But we're almost there. Right, Evan?
We're almost there, guys.
Okay, guys. I think we're
Finally
almost
can see the
there.
border.
What does it say? Welcome. No. Bienvenidos a Brownsville. Pero ya quiero estar de aquel lado. De allá. This is the border, guys. This here is what we have to cross just to get to the other side. Just let me cross. I'm an American citizen. It's not that hard. And we're not bringing no illegal stuff from Mexico.
Not this time.
It's a joke, guys. We don't cross anything ever.
Okay, yes we do.
We thought we were gonna get over there at 11.
We're getting over there at 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's already 6. We've been here for 3 hours.
We got 5 hours.
2.5 hours. And then go Ivan. And then we still have to stop to eat. It's gonna be like another hour. And then
Yes.
pump gas. And then get on the road, which is another, what, 6 hours? I guess I'll show y'all once we finally cross this freaking thing. Guys, we freaking crossed!
Finally.
I've never been so happy in my...
2 minutes.
I know, we literally waited 3 hours.
Just for 2 minutes.
Just for 2 minutes, literally. Welcome to Texas. Drive friendly, the Texas way.
Come on.
Guys, guess where we're at?
Y'all missed the whole border patrol and everything.
Y'all missed the dog smelling our truck for drugs.
Bombs and drugs and shit, whatever they could.
They asked us, are you a U.S. citizen? We said, no. Guess where we're at?
United States.
United States, el otro. We're at Whataburger, guys. Ah! I don't think I've ever been so happy in my life. I'm about to run inside. And there's Saben. I saved you a table.
Why this one?
Because that was too small. Because your family's not gonna fit there. But you can sit there. If you want.
solo.
Just you and Ethan. You and Ethan. That's mine. What are you doing? I've never been so excited in my life.
Good line.
We made it home, guys. Taking everything down.
1 in the morning.
It's 12:32. We still got some stuff inside and we're hella tired. About to shower and go to bed.